Hey everyone, hopefully you guys are all having a fantastic weekend. So we're going to talk about XRP in this video. It's about time we have an XRP update here on the channel. So make sure you guys are locked in, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on X if you're watching over there, and let's get into it. So something really cool has happened. XRP has seen its highest ever monthly close in over 14-year history. Monthly high hit of $3.39 on January 16th. We did fail to breach its historic price of all-time high. However, it was able to record its highest ever monthly close in January, which was pretty darn cool. So it surged to all-time high on January 2018. Then we saw a massive correction, retraced about 68.3% from the high, closing the month at $1.12. It continued after that, its downside into the next month, retesting support around 27 cents. Can you imagine being up that much and then retracing down to 27 cents? That must have been crazy. But that was also in the times of 2018 when crypto was still a lot more volatile than it is today, even more so. So we also saw a breakout following that in 2021, which we know was the next bull market. Hit a peak of $1.98 in April of 2021, but then obviously, the lawsuit and the battle with the SEC caused XRP to be a very underperforming asset for about 3 years. Gary Gensler stepped down, and Donald Trump took office this year, just this past month, and that is really what prompted a lot of this run up for the crypto market and XRP especially. An impressive 282% and a 7% price upswing in November and December, respectively. XRP recorded the highest ever closing in January, closing the month at $3.03. So, speculations of new all-time high intensify. 46% upside in January was massive, but it also invalidated a shooting star candlestick following December's over 28% rejection from a price high of $2.90. So, what is really in store for XRP from here on out? Well, let's take a look at some of this technical analysis here. So it's formed an ascending wedge, and we can see that on the chart here. Somebody made a comment the other day that I'm not always showing, charts and such of things that I'm talking about, but I talk about a lot of this stuff on the channel. An ascending wedge is basically a wedge, and it is going in an upward trajectory. So that you have that right here. Pattern is often associated with bearish reversals if the lower boundary is breached. So basically, this lower line here, if it drops down below, that could be a bearish indicator. A bearish divergence between the price and the RSI indicator suggests that bullish momentum is fading and signaling the possibility of a pullback. Now, obviously, things can turn around depending on if more momentum and more price action it kind of happens. But as of right now, we're signaling we could be in for a little bit of a pullback. The $2.50 support zone could materialize in the midterm. We could drop down to test that before we, if we continue higher, obviously corrections happen, right? So that's pretty much what's going on there. We're going to take a look at the overall market here on CoinMarketCap just to kind of get a feel of what's going on in the overall market, sitting at about 3.51 trillion, down about 1.48% in the last 24 hours. So we can see Bitcoin it was still sitting nicely above 100K, dropping down a little bit here. We did have a nice little run up, up to, let's see here. We had a nice run up to 105-ish area, and then we dropped right back down into here. I think a lot of this has to do with Trump and the new tariffs that he's imposing, and just uncertainty in the financial markets. So that's pretty much what's causing that. XRP is also following suit a little bit, having coming down just a tad, along with Bitcoin down about 3.19% in the last 24 hours. So we can see here, yeah, there's a bit of a drop. But, obviously maintaining some pretty good price action, really, when in the overall scheme of things, in the overall market, the way things have been going in the last month, XRP has actually fared fairly well. And it's actually shown a lot of strength and stability in times of this volatile market. So that's pretty much what I got for you guys in this video. Just want to give you a quick update what's going on with XRP. The price action, in my opinion, is not XRP specific. It is more, the overall crypto market is just kind of following suit. So we'll have to see what happens here on out, and I'll be obviously keeping you guys up to date. So make sure you guys are subscribed, tuned in, followed on X, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys all have a great weekend. Let me know down below. Are you guys going out, touch some grass, do anything fun? I'm about to head out with my boyfriend. We're gonna maybe go for a drive, or maybe hit up a restaurant or something along those lines. I guess it's about 3:30 here in Nova Scotia in the afternoon, and still lots of day left. So hopefully you guys have a great one, and I'll see you later.